Push-ups hacks to accelerate into incredible body. One of my friends at the gym asked me how much push-ups he should do to get ripped muscles. Then I remembered one of my friends sharing his secrets of getting incredible body by doing push-ups, which I follow religiously. Besides getting well-defined body, it will give you more health benefits, losing weights and six-pack abs. For getting great results, certain amount of discipline is needed, which is the powerful traits of successful people. My friend who guided me to do push-ups does 300 push-ups daily of 10 sets of 30 push-ups each set. I decided to do at least half of what he is doing, that is 150 push-ups a day, and reach my goal in a month's time. In spite of working out at gym for many years, I couldn't do more than 10 push-ups the first set and the subsequent sets less number of push-ups on the first week. In the first month I was able to reach 120 push-ups each day of 10 sets. In the second month, I crossed 200 push-ups each day of 10 sets, each set of 20 push-ups. I haven't pushed it further, presently maintaining 200 plus push-ups every day, increasing slowly. Besides getting great shape, the discipline has taught me to take any challenges in life and keep working on it until you get results and keep moving further. You can adopt the push-ups challenge formula suggested by my friend. Do your max amount of push-ups, or modified push-ups, on your knees. Divide your maximum by 2. If your max is 10, then your number is 5. Take that number, in this case 5, and multiply by 10, which becomes 50. This is the number to shoot for every day of 10 sets of half your max is your daily goal. Here are the results in just 1 month time. My wife and my daughter are checking me out every day, how many push-ups I do. After seeing considerable transformation in my body, they have also got addicted and taken up the challenge by doing push-ups. After seeing considerable transformation in my body, they have also got addicted and taken up the challenge by doing push-ups. My max has gone from 10 to 22 each set. It feels really good to accomplish this goal and to see my family has also started getting into good shape and being healthy. I am motivating as many people I know to take up this challenge for them to be fit and healthy. My belly has flattened out considerably, and even my little daughter is going around and showing everybody her flat tummy that she is getting six-pack abs, which is really cute to see. All these efforts have helped in improving my family relationship too, and more happier moments. Are you ready to take up the challenge? Kindly subscribe to our channel, which will help us to inform you as and when we upload a new video.